Using submittals for the likes of your safety data sheets in Autodesk Build offers many benefits for your company. By using submittals, you can centralise the management of these documents, making them easily accessible to all of your team and ensuring that they have access to the most up-to-date information. Submittals allow for the efficient creation, review and approval of your safety data sheets, which can save your company time and reduce the risk of errors. With the use of permissions, these can be submitted for review and approval by the appropriate personnel, ensuring that the documents are accurate and compliant with regulations before they're distributed to the wider team. The use of submittals can also help you comply with safety regulations and reduce the risk of workplace accidents. By ensuring that your team have access to the necessary safety information, your company can reduce the risk of chemical-related accidents and injuries on the job site. Submittals in Autodesk Build provide a centralised location for this information and ensures that they are available to your team at all times, reducing the risk of lost or misplaced documents. This can save time and improve efficiency, enabling workers to focus on their tasks and helping construction projects run smoothly.